Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys is doing absolutely great today.
Donnie Graphics.
Hey, good day, everyone. My name is Daniel. Welcome to Danny Graphics. So, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about introduction to Pixellab. That is our first topic of the class. So, introduction to Pixellab. We're going to be looking at step by step on how to use Pixellab. And I'm sorry, most people might be saying their own Pixellab is blue, is red, is black. Sorry for using the yellow, because this is the yellow one I have. Most iOS or Android is having a blue one. So, but we're dropping the app for the yellow one. So, in case you need it, I just love the yellow Pixellab. That's why I'm using it. So let's go straight down to the business for today. So this first icon, okay, sorry, let me use the red color. So this first icon is called the plus icon. In this plus icon, we have say 5 major parts. We have the text box, the current date, we have the sticker, we have the shape, we have from gallery, and we have the drawing parts. And the second one, we have the save box. In this save box, we have save as project and we have save as image. Save as project, we can kindly come back to continue on where we stop, or maybe your client is complaining that the alignment, I don't like it, the writing is not well written, the picture is well not well placed, the human face is not supposed to stay here, or the picture should be upside down. You can go back to that save as project to work on it. And the save as image, saving directly to your image box as your gallery. So once you click the save, to take you to your gallery directly. Okay, then the next one, we have the share icon. You can always share to your friends, your loved ones, and your family. Let's click and see where we can share to. We have the Facebook, we have the Twitter, we have WhatsApp, and the rest. So, and the next one, we have this double icon. This double icon is called motivational quote. Like, okay, let's just say quote. We have a lot of quotes right there. Maybe you are creating a design, maybe you don't know what to write. The client is not giving you what to write and you're kind of confused. You just need a small quote. We have a lot of quotes there. You see, you can kindly click on this place, this, to change the kind of quote you want. Let's just click and see. You see, we have the motivational quotes, we have the success quotes, the friendship, happiness, inspirement, positivity. Well, we have a lot of these quotes. You are seeing it. So, and the last one at the top, we have these 3 icons. This 3 icon now, it has almost all the functions. Let's click on it and see. So you see, you have use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, export image, image size, contact us, report book. You have tutorial, you have the remove ads, you have the remove autosave, we have open pip file, we have about, and we have exit. sorry about that, and we have exit. So whichever you want to do, you can kindly do. You can bring pictures from there. You can bring your image from there to do your designs. So I don't want this tutorial to be much longer. Like I said, my name is Daniel, and in some cases more people will be like, yeah, it isn't you that's doing the video, so I'll not be taking you at the wrong part. So we're moving on to the second line at the down. This is called sorry about that. This is called the reverse icon. It's called the reverse. So anything you are doing, maybe you're writing something, you make a mistake, or you did a mistake in a design and you don't know how to do it, you just click on this to reverse. And this is called this zoom out. You can actually zoom something out. Maybe you're not seeing the thing and you want to align it to somewhere. As we go to the class, maybe from tomorrow downward, like I will show you steps on how to use each and every of these things I'm telling you about it. I don't want the video to be much longer, that's why I'm just making it fast. If not, I would have entered into it and show you more about each and every one of them. So as we go through the class, I'll be showing you and I'll be letting you know this and this about it. So this is for the zooming out, like you want to align something that is a little bit tiny and you're not seeing it, you just have to zoom it out. And the next one is called spacing. Like you want to align something and it's not straight enough, like it's kind of bent to you looking at it, it's kind of bent, but in the phone it's kind of straight. You can just use alignment. Once you click on this, let me click on this and see. Once you click on this alignment, it will be showing a lines whereby you can use to arrange what you want to do. That's if you click on this second one, it will show you, it will give you an opportunity where you can increase and decrease. You see I've clicked it now, it's showing a lot of mark checkpoints. So I'll be clicking this first one. So see, I've clicked on it now. I can take it down, take it up. Maybe what you are trying to size in, maybe you're not getting a line, you can take it up, you can take it down, you can just take this too also. So depending on what you want, you can bring this also like this, depending on what you want to arrange on. So that's that for that. So let's move on to the other step. And this last one is called interface. Like all your works you have actually done, you want to look at the materials you have used, you can click on that. I will show you more of it when on our next class. So let's continue. And okay, in this next part, okay, now we're done with this up part now, so we're going right down to the down part. In this down part, the reason why my own interface is like this, not like your own, is because I'm using the yellow Pixellab. Your might not be showing this, your might be showing pictures or designs that you can work on. And the reason why my own is showing shapes because of the Pixellab I'm using. So we have right now here, we have my own different type of shapes. I can use this shape to create 1.2 design, 3.2 design, 3.4 design, 9x16, 8x4, and the rest like that. That's for this first one we're talking about, this first one. So right now I'm moving to the second one. That's this A. It's called A. This A part is called text box. So we have a two interface there, the text box Either you should write on it, or you want a quote. Like I said, you want a quote on it. So these are the codes I showed you. So we'll not be using that. So going back, that A is for text box. I'll be showing you more details about all these things in this class. I don't want to, or maybe as we go on with the class, I don't want the video to be more than my timing. Okay, the third one right here, it says this one is called the shape box. This is the place where we mostly do our work, the shape box. Okay, let's click on it and see what we have there. You see the shape box, we have a lot. Since we are now have not imported a shape, these are the interface we have. We have the sticker, we have the import, we have this drawing part, we have the shape, we have the benzer, and we have the arrow. So those are the interface we have for now, just because we haven't imported anything yet. Okay, I'm moving on to the next one. That's this right here. This is actually called the background interface. In the background interface, we have the color, we have the transparent, image size, we have the crop, and we have the image. So we know about all these things already. In the color parts, we have the white color. This is the gradient color part, so we're using the color red, white. So let's just leave it this red and move on. We have the transparent. Once you click on the transparent, everything you're doing is transparent. It's coming out in a PNG form. So the image size, you can, like we said in the other parts when I told you, in the image size we can do 2.4. Once I click on 2.4, you see the kind of shapes we have now. You understand what I'm saying? You see, so we have different types, and the rest we have the crop, and we have the image. You can bring your image from here, anything you want to do. Maybe you don't have a design, or you're trying to create a design, you can just look for something here to use. Okay, and the last part is called background maker. It's called background maker. You can make your background, like you don't want to use somebody's background, you have used to create something before. You can try to create your own background like this. You're seeing, you can add color, you can make it big, you can make it bold, anyone you want. So we don't mostly use this because, so let's just move to the, okay, we're done for the introduction. I will be talking more about each and every one of them. Thank you for joining us in this class. I really appreciate each and every one of us that's watching this video. My name is Daniel from Danny Graphics. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.